Alright, here we go. We got our AM session here. I don't know why I accidentally do some of this. Oh, not this one. Oops. Right on my bike. Right on my bike. Not overthinking my life. Not even wondering if I'm a likable person or somebody that nobody likes. What the hell? AI generated music is wild. No wonder, bro. She's like posting albums and all this shit. Like, damn. These days, I miss a days one. Is that song I'm talking about? AI generated, bro. That's crazy to me. I believe we'll just do 7, 14. So partialing wise, 8 would be 4. Then I have 3 micros left, so that'd be a little bit more than 50%. Or a little bit less than 50%. We have equal lows, so partialing wise, we could maybe partial there. Let me think if we do get this set up here. I want it to kind of be like that big, so it should be, yeah, I mean, realistically, it shouldn't be any bigger than that. So it should be a 2R. So I would honestly just full TP at the lows. So I don't really need to worry about anything else. I'll full TP at the lows. I don't really need a runner. I don't really care. I like just full TPing. It's way better instead of sitting here like being like, oh damn, it shit hits maybe 10% of the time. I like it. Don't get me wrong. Like when I have a lot of targets that just need to be reached, I'll definitely partial. But I mean, just I don't know if we have the volatility today because we did move a lot in AM or yeah, pretty much pre-market and end of London. So it's probably going to be more of a chop, I'd say, to just these relative equal lows in pre-market if we can hold them. So I would sanction that more. I mean, we probably could leave a runner. I might just leave one micro on for better RR, but doesn't really change shit. But we'll probably, all right, so we'll go 13 and we'll take 13 off. Well, you can't even do that. So we're going in 14. What time is it? Oh, it's 25. We're in that 5 minute almost. We're about to hop in that. Beautiful, beautiful. We can honestly get up into this 1 minute if we want to. We'll name this as a breakaway gap. We could 100% use that. So I don't know if we'll get this. It might be all the way down here. So we'll go ahead and start managing this. So if we do have to get it down here, I feel like it'd be better. 238. So then we'll really kind of need the low. Ah, fuck, man. I really want to get something on up here. Because then I could be break even at these lows. It's a lot riskier. I fucking don't like that. That's the pain in the ass part. Getting your setup, right? Because if we do break this with displacement, I mean, it's riskier. We will go up into this breakaway gap, but the 5 minute Sibi. It's riskier, but I don't think it's riskier actually. I just think it's gonna be, I'm gonna have to take a limit there instead of a market in. Just fine. Like we can just market in or limit. It's just kind of a quick, easy butter trade here into this. That's 40 points. We're gonna tap it now. All right, so this is where, all right, so we have 2 potential setups already I'm looking at. This is gonna be a clean breaker as it sits because it's taken 2 forms of liquidity, at least on the 1 minute chart. So we have this here, 210. We can do that one. That one's totally okay. Maybe try and reach a low. I'll probably just cut it. I mean, realistically, to get a 2R, I'm probably gonna cut it at 0.5 of this wick. I really don't need too much this morning. So 346 would be that. So we'll move to break even there because that wick is disturbing me a little bit. But I think we'll dig into the 5 minute one a little bit more. Yeah. I'm probably just gonna go for I'll just have to go break even. I'll just go 4. So it'll be looking like this more than likely. Maybe we can form this. Oh yeah, perfect. Start forming some down close candles for me. Me better entry. And we already look like we have an SMT. 930 almost. I'm not gonna leave partial running. I'm not taking this if we get it formed here. Even though like that is somewhat of a trade. Oh, wait a minute. Ah, fuck you. I'm not gonna take it pre 930. We have an SMT, which is nice. But damn, bro. I really want to take that. But I can't. Not a 930 wick. I gotta wait for this closure. That is really tough to not take, man. Really, really tough. It's unfortunate. The risk there isn't good either, so we gotta see it spam through. I really think, I mean, that's the thing. This high could stay in touch because we don't need to take it out. I'd kind of rather it be taken out. But if we do so-called want to do it, I'll honestly keep my sizing the same. I really like. No, we won't do that. If we're gonna take a one at 930, I'm gonna have to desize that. So we'll probably drop it. Yeah, we'll drop it to 10. If we want to take we'll probably drop it to 10 if we want to take this. I want to see how we close this candle out. Our risk is gonna have to be what is 10. I really don't want to risk more than like 50% of what I was risking before. I mean, 930 should just run now. Yeah, 930 really should just run, but honestly, I'm probably going to go even lighter than that. Just because of 930. We don't necessarily need to go. Actually, ES still wants to push, so maybe this might be an SMT on ES. Let me watch ES really fast. Oh, ES did take it out. And it held its SMT. I hate shorting at open. Not a fan of that. What time is it? We have 59, so we'll see. Yeah, we did exactly what I thought we would. Yep. Oh. We'll see if we can get a limit on. Maybe. We take all of that out. ES is running higher. Yep. What to be expected. My limit did not get filled there. I think this would be better taken on ES. Oh, limit did not even get touched here. It's probably just gonna go. I don't like how US is playing out here though. I want to see a little bit more. I don't like that we just swept the lows and we're just having these long ass wicks. I mean, that's not ideal. We could probably dip our toes in the water here. We'll just go in. I mean, this is the setup nonetheless. And we'll just put our limit at the lows. Buy limit, right? Yeah. That was the easiest trading day of my life. Beautiful trading. Beautiful, man. That was gorgeous. I had to de-risk, but that was gorgeous, man. That was fucking gorgeous. I really wish I went in heavier on that, but I don't want to cannot risk that. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous trading. That is what I love to see, my friends. That is what I love to see. Man, we fucking ripped, bro. I don't know how it's only that little, though. What did I tell you? We didn't even really reach that, but just because that was SMT'd, I'm like, yeah, that's sexy. Man, I love trading sometimes. Just done in the morning. Didn't even have time to take my limits off. Nice. Make sure there's no limits. Canceled. Nice. I don't have a trade after that. That's exactly what I wanted to see. I was trying to get my fill in here, but my limit didn't even get placed. So I had to mark it in. I got in like there. Stop was at that candle body. No way I got in there. Really? What? That's fucking crazy. I got in like here then. At least. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I can't remember where I got in it. I had a fucking horse shit fill. But beautiful trade. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm taking that as like a 3 to 4 hour on that. That's still a 650 day for me. Making sure I don't have any fucking limits on here. No limits lurking. Like last time. Oh yeah, I did get filled. I don't really care what we do now. Shorting open. No limits. Actually, this is another re-entry. I mean, if we really so wanted to take it, this is a re-entry, but I'm not. We're one and done today, my friends. And we already took external lows, so not a good re-entry there. But honestly, this is probably a 5 minute. We go and take the 5 minute tab to the 1 minute, then get another one. So I'm gonna tape read this. Absolutely gorgeous fucking trade though. Literally gorgeous. That was beautiful. I mean, I don't know. I should have. There was 2 things I could have done. I'm not mad at de-risking that, but I don't know, man. I don't really like longing or fucking longing, shorting it open. I mean, it's just the spread is a lot more insane. As you saw, I couldn't even get my limit to get filled, but that's just trade of 8 because it's a shitter. So, but that's $700 on the day for me on my copied accounts. We're gonna go on E and Q. Yeah, we literally just broke time here at 9:30. It's probably a huge regular trading hours gap, but I still want this to hold for bullish or bearish. Let's breakaway gap. Let's see how we work in here. I'm gonna paper trade it. Why not? I'll keep going with y'all. You know what you guys should do? You guys should get on live. You should get on FX replay and then just connect all of your accounts to FX replay. It's really nice. But we're not doing too shabby because last week I didn't trade too much because there wasn't trades. Yesterday, Monday I didn't trade this week. We're up about 600 on the week so far per account, obviously. We risked about 80 bucks on that. And that was a $350 winner. Only because I would have gone full size, but I didn't want to go full size for shorting 930. Even if it is with the bias, I've seen it happen. 930 can wick and fucking wick you. So, like, it could have wicked all the way up here to tap that out, then ran. So that's why I was like a little hesitant. But look at that beautiful reaction. Absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna check the 15-second. Beautiful reaction off of that though. Breakaway gap, which will be holding that 5 minute. Yep. It's probably gonna go head down to that wick. Let's see if we can just short it now with that inversion. Maybe. Maybe not. Alright. Alright, we're gonna get filled all the way down here and have a stop loss of hell. Nice. Thank you. Whatever, we'll let TradingView fucking figure out its period that it's having. I had to reset my account, so that is one shitty thing. You have to fucking log in every time you get a trade. Apex. That'll be it though. I will talk to you guys tomorrow when I start live.